our Bronco somewhat back together. Just kind of got it polished out in the sun, checking it out. We got the fenders polished, set back on, barely bolted, just enough to keep them from falling off when we roll this thing around. Basically trying to consolidate some of the painted parts. And here we are with our bed liner we sprayed yesterday, sitting out in the sun now that it finally popped out today. Getting it to kind of heat up a little bit. Hopefully it'll help kick it. We got the panel quarters all polished, untaped, wiped down. The bed liner, and then the whole bottom of it's all been epoxied. This is going to use a different frame, all epoxy coated. Quick update on our little Bronco that you guys would like to see.